What's up guys, Mac here with another weekly vlog. So as you can see from that intro video, we did get a lot of work done on the car. We got that rear suspension bolted in, that's all done and good to go. We're gonna get into the specifics of that in this vlog. We also got some of the body work started as well, which we're also gonna be talking about. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. This vlog is a little bit different. It's gonna be more hands-on work. I did have a hard time breaking away from work this week, so I left the camera and the vlogging kind of up to my brother and my dad. So I hope you guys enjoy what they've done. Let's take a look and see what we've done to the car.
So this is all in place. I measured from the other side. So flat up here on the bottom bar, kind of straight, follow this angle.
Yeah.
It's 13 1/4.
Okay.
Which is, it's at right now.
Yeah.
Right there to the top of this bar.
Yeah.
On here, from here to the top of this bar, it is 11 3/4.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah.
Put a magic marker line there, and around.
Okay.
The other thing I wanted to do is take this off. Oh, this part here has to be flush, pretty well flush to the outside.
Okay.
On both sides. So this part here, it's this inner piece. I kept this piece on here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wondering if he wants to cut this off there, follow those lines, weld this into that to get that strength, and then
weld that piece back on?
Weld this piece back on. But I don't want to cut it till he sees it.
Okay.
And then that's it.
Cool. So this is the piece we welded in, all TIG welded. Believe it or not, they wanted $2 grand just for that one little bar. Literally this piece, 2 G's online. That's why we found this scrap car. I mean, we just welded the whole new piece in. Looks like factory.
Sure it's all, no welds are sticking anywhere. Nice, give them one. Might have to jack it up.
More spot welds down there?
Yeah, I drilled these out and now I just got to separate them and they should pop out fairly easy. And you try to not damage the inside of the panel.
The inner?
The inner panel structure should try to stay as factory as possible. The outside, if you damage it, it doesn't matter.
Okay, makes sense. Did you get more of the bumper done?
I put a second coat on the inside.
So some of the bumper is also getting done. That is the plastic repair on top of the crack. It dries so fast because it's so humid in the shop. Like literally as soon as you apply it, it was dry. So, and that's the right side rocker panel. Are you hoping to have this whole thing ripped off by today?
I'm hoping to have it taken off today, straighten out all the inner structure, and start measuring the joint where we're going to splice together and make sure everything fits like factory.
Okay. Cool. So this is what the inner structure looks like with the outer skin cut off. It's pretty crazy how it looks just so basic, like. And it's unbelievably light. Maybe 40 pounds, 50 pounds. That's crazy. Did you ever figure out what these were for?
No. Good stuff. It's hard to get off.
Yeah. So that's just resting on there, but basically the idea. Half a day's worth of work. The new knuckles in. Upper and lower control arms, everything bolted up. So we just gotta figure out where we want to splice it in exactly. Do some more measuring, make sure everything butts up really nice. Alright guys, so the rear quarter panel is pretty much on the car. It just has to have a few spots welded in, but this panel from the factory is actually glued and riveted on, so all the seams underneath here and in this door jamb is all glued on and then riveted all in behind here as well and riveted at the bottom. So the only spots to be welded is going to be right here, and then in the joint right here there's a spot where it connects that has to be welded, and then obviously here in the door jamb this one has to be perfect because it is exposed, and then obviously that one as well. But it does get covered under here because of the outer rocker panel, so you won't see any of that under here. There's a couple dents right here that are kind of hard to see. They should be easy to fix. But the important part is all the door gaps and the gaps of this air vent back here, making sure they're all perfect, and they are, thankfully. So that means we did everything correctly. As you can see, all the door jamb gaps are all perfect, as well as right here, nice and straight. All we have left really to do is weld that piece in, start doing the body work, sanding, obviously priming and painting, and then we're gonna get that rear section re-clear wrapped, and then we should be able to take it for its first test drive. And then obviously from there we got to still do all the alignment work. It'll have to go get its structural re-safety. So it's gonna have to go, hopefully there's a spot where I live that'll do it, but it may have to go down south for that. We're not too worried about that right now. We're just enjoying the whole process. Everything's going pretty well so far. We are still looking for one more rim. We did get one lent to us for now just so we can drive it once it is 100% done, or at least roll it around. But yeah. That pretty much brings us to the end of this week's vlog, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed what I made for you this week. Be sure to stay tuned. We've got lots more work to do, and we will be posting again next Sunday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys then.